The future is not coming, it is already here. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we live, work, and think. But the real question is what will happen next? Will AI make our lives better or more complicated? Welcome back to our AI learning series. So far, we have understood what AI is, how it works, its types, applications, risks, and ethical concerns. But today, we step into the future. Let us explore how artificial intelligence may change our world in the coming years. The future of AI is not just about the machines, it is about human life transformation. In the future, AI will help doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. Early detection of cancer, personalized treatment, faster medical research. AI will not replace the doctors. In fact, it will help them save more lives. Education will become more personalized. AI will understand each student's learning style, provide customized lessons, help teachers focus on real teaching. Learning will become smarter, faster, and more effective. Many jobs will change. Repetitive tasks will become automated. New jobs will be created. The future will not eliminate humans. It will require humans to learn new skills. AI will make cities more intelligent, smart traffic systems, energy efficiency, safer environments. Even in daily life, voice assistants, smart homes, personalized services, all will become part of everyday living. The most important future is not AI alone, it is AI working with humans. Humans provide creativity and judgment. AI provides speed and data analysis. Together, they can achieve extraordinary results. But the future also depends on how we use AI. If used wisely, it becomes a very powerful tool. If misused, it can create serious problems. So, the future of AI is not just technology, it is a human responsibility. So, today we learn AI will transform healthcare, education, jobs, cities, and our daily lives. But the real future is not about machines taking over, it is about humans and AI growing together. In the next video, we will explore something very exciting: how you can start learning AI step by step as a beginner. The future does not belong to those who wait, it belongs to those who prepare. So let us learn, adapt, and grow with artificial intelligence.